Hello friends, NCR, which is an American multinational company, is hiring 2021 batch pass outs. So let's go ahead and check out the details. So NCR is hiring through Hacker Earth, which is a competitive programming platform, which means that the selection process will consist of programming also, right? So it will be through an algorithm challenge, which will be conducted from 2nd of October 6 p.m. to 4th of October 11 p.m. So you have to take this challenge between these two durations, and the duration of the challenge will be 2 hours 30 minutes. What is the designation? It is software engineer. You do not require any experience, and the package is 7 lakhs per annum, which is a very good package. So let's go ahead and check out the details. What will be the selection process? So first we'll go through the challenge format. So there will be two programming questions restricted to C++, Java and C Sharp. So you should you will have to code in only these three languages. That is that's all the languages that you are allowed. You cannot use Python or any other language. So this is something that you have to take care of. Generally, C++ is considered the best language for any competitive program and any competitive programming challenge. Okay, and then you will also have 10 MCQs on data structures algorithms. So make sure that you have good fundamentals of DS and algo set. Now, what is the eligibility criteria? 2021 batch pass outs and people who know data structures, algorithms, OOPS concepts, and problem solving. The good thing is that they have also mentioned below here. If you check about the basic qualifications, they have mentioned that you have to, you should be a BTech passing out next year in 2021, but all the branches are allowed. They have clearly mentioned here that students in engineering discipline would be from any branch who has passion about programming. So it doesn't matter whether you are a civil engineer or a mechanical engineer, any branch, right? If you like coding, if you have experience in competitive programming, this is for you, right? And you should also have computer science fundamentals, object oriented. Obviously, if you like programming, you like coding, you will have experience and knowledge in these also. So data structures, design patterns, object oriented design, algorithms, right? Other stuffs are common. You have to have good communication skills as well. Experience with several of the following modern technologies like Java, C++, or C Sharp.net. Now, what it indicates is that if you have projects on these technologies, it will help you a lot during your interview, right? If you are mainly a Python developer, then probably during your interview they will ask you questions about Java and C++, and if you are not able to answer, the chances of getting selected will go down. So make sure that C++ is common, everybody learns it nowadays. So this is going to the C++ is something that everybody should know. This is my suggestion to everybody. Now it is also mentioned that the CT is 7 lakhs per annum and the job location is Hyderabad, right? So job location is something that you can see, and there are 300 openings, which is quite huge. So 300 openings means that if you are good, if you have still not started programming, for preparing for competitive programming, start even now. You have 15 days. Start focusing on that, and if you are able to gain some experience, probably the challenge will not be very difficult. It is not Microsoft or Google or Facebook where you'll have a very difficult programming round. But if you have experience in competitive programming, this is going to help you a lot. Okay, so also some of the details here mentioned is that all selected candidates should go through mandatory internship from January 2021 to June 2021. This is mandatory. So post completion of internship, full-time employment begins from July 2021. So you will get a job as soon as possible, right? The moment you complete the internship, you will be able to join. So apply only if you are available for internship program, right? This is very it is mandatory for you to be allowed from your university or college to take a full-time internship during that duration, right? So please check before applying, and I hope that mostly all the colleges generally allow their students to go for full-time internships, and considering that the package is also very high, this is something that most of the companies will allow. So how do you apply? I'll go through the registration process as well. So click on register. If you already have an account, it is great on Hacker Earth, but if not, sign in with Google, right? It will automatically create your account. Just select your email ID and you will be redirected to a page. So let's click here. Okay, now you have logged in. Now you'll have to click on register button once more. So click here. enter your name and details, everything. So this will be mentioned here like this. Select the gender, select your current location, contact number, institute, enter your college email ID, right? Enter your college full name. I hope that it will be present here also. So you can, as you can see, it automatically starts through auto completion. It will show you your college name also. Right. So the question is, what will happen if you do not have your college listed here? For example, let's say that I'm trying to enter. Oh, they have other colleges also. So if your college is not listed here, you can mention things like this. You can mention your institute similar to this, right? So that will also be accepted. Then you have to select your degree. Select your bachelor's degree, engineer's degree, right? Stream, select your degree here. Computer engineering, it's fine, right? Select a graduation year, select the CGPA or percentage, right? And then enter the value here, right? If you are entering CGPA, then select this and then enter CGPA. If you are entering percentage, select percentage and then enter percentage here. Are you willing to take up the job via this challenge? Obviously, yes. That's why you are applying. And then you have to enter your Aadhaar card, which will be required for background checks before the interview. Then you have to upload your resume and just click on submit. So this is the whole process. If you want to know about NCR a little bit more, right, you can check this Wikipedia page and you will see that they have a revenue of $6.92 billion, which is quite huge. So it's a very good company to work for, and since it is in the banking domain, it will be a stable job also, because they have their products in which are being used by banking by different banks. So you will have quite good stability. So all the best. If you have any queries, feel free to drop down a comment, and I'll try to answer your queries as well there. So all the best. And competitive programming is something that you should start right away. So this is my humble suggestion. Okay, all the best. Thank you.